Assalamu alaikum. Today I make spicy, tangy, and mouth-watering plum mash. I peel this plum, so take peeler and peel all the skin this plum. So let's start it. Now I am mashing this plum. It's time to mix some dry roasted chilies with salt. Also, I collect some roasted chilies and also salt. Wow, the smell is so amazing. Roasted chilies, properly mix. So my hot plum mash is ready. Some changes, spicy, also mouth-watering. When I make this hot plum mash or hot plum bharta, that time my mouth is watering. For the reason, it's sour. Let's start. Bismillah. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you again. If you're interested to watch this kind of video, you can follow me.